Okay, we finished the first turn of the game. I'm not going to be doing these every turn because it's going to get ridiculous. I'll just show you basically what happened in the opening moves. We go around to Glass House, or well, actually Glass Mill Crossing. There's a little bit of fighting going on there. Both units have got sort of orders to defend the fords against each other, so they'll just be exchanging pot shots at each other. Neither have got orders to cross the river. They're supposed to be defending their respective flanks of their armies. There was a little sort of garrison of an artillery unit and an infantry unit actually on the ford, hence the fact that's marked blue, but they've been driven off by Confederate fire. If we look at Lee and Gordon Mill, similar situation. You've got two corps that are basically ordered to defend those positions. So there's been an exchange of fire. One of the Union units got chewed up quite badly, but the Confederates also been forced to retreat. Got a couple of shaken units there due to displacement. Got the Butler's Corps across the river, but there's not a lot they can do now. They've got clear. Were they fords or bridges? No, they're fords. I don't think they were expecting to find these fords totally undefended, but they can only really operate within their core radius down here. It's just 12 hexes from Buckner. We've got quite a lot of fighting going on at Alexander's Bridge. That's where the Reserve Corps are trying to make the crossing. They did drive off a Union gun battery after inflicting some casualties, and they've failed to take these breastworks so far, but they're right in close now. They're actually touching across the actual river there. So they can't hold on very long. They've only got 3 fairly weak infantry units against a brigade of the Reserve Corps, and then there's the rest of the Reserve Corps. Just remove that green marker. That green block just meant it's moved. The rest of the Reserve Corps is on its way, so it'll be coming down that road and joining the attack on Alexander's Bridge. We've got the Confederate First Corps finally arrived, but they haven't got very far. Forest Cavalry came on before them, so you've got the Cavalry Corps here and the Cavalry Corps HQ, this red block. They're still unlikely. Well, they can't do anything in terms of activating Armstrong's cavalry, which is way over here and sitting there without any orders. Union, really all they've been doing is defending at that crossing. They've been moved into position at Glass Mill. There's not much more they can do because they've hardly got any units on the board at this particular stage. That's it for the opening moves.